In this video, I want to talk about how you can add variants on Shopify. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to head over to the admin dashboard, select products, and then either add a product or select an existing one. Fill in the information, so the title, the description, and a picture for the media. Select this, and once you come down to variants, you just want to make a variant. So let's call this one extra large. And for options, let's call this one red, blue, and green. Press done, and now you will be able to see it. So I can add the picture in here if I want to. I can add the price and how many is available, and that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.